Okay, so I hope that you were able to crack these questions with the help of the cheat sheet and the group hack sheet and this solutions right here, which are pretty obvious and very easy. Also, I want you to learn the effect of these accounts on the balance sheet. So keep checking the balance sheets when you make these transactions and keep checking the effects of the balance sheet and how it stays balanced. So let's move forward, and if you are unable to do it, let us do this together. Received cash from Mr. Y on account of rupees 2000. Mr. Y was due rupees 3000. Mr. Y has paid rupees 2000 to us. Let us see what Tally can help us. Accounting vouchers. As we have received cash, we are going to press F6 to make this entry, or we are going to click on receipt tab. Let's press F6 right here. Okay, and we have received cash. So cash, you can change the date if you want, but the date is was for September only. And we have received cash from Mr. Y. So if you click M, if you write M, it will show you the possible ledgers account that you have received cash from Mr. Y. Okay, 2000 on account. Okay, you can choose anything right here because it doesn't really matter for a beginner and if you don't have a big company, but I'll explain it to you quickly that it has various options right here. As we have received Mr. Cash from Mr. Y. Mr. Y is our debtor, hence it asks us various options, that is advance. No, Mr. Y has not paid us advance. Against reference, no, there is no reference. That reference number we used to put right here, that is 0201. Okay, new reference, if you want to put a new reference right here, no. On account is the left one, so we'll choose on account, that is the whole account of Mr. Y. On account. Okay, on account, 2000 credit. Okay, okay, we have received cash, Mr. Y on account. Did we make this entry correct? Cash received from Mr. Y. Okay, so let's check this out. Rupees 3000 was Mr. Y's due and Mr. Y paid rupees 2000. So let us go to the ledger of Mr. Y, that is the account of Mr. Y. How we will go into that ledger? We'll go to display, click on D, and then we'll go to accounts book, press A. Okay, so we'll press A and then we'll select ledger right here, so L. So this is the shortcut to open the ledger, DAL. These are the hotkeys to open a ledger fast. Let us try this from the beginning. Okay, so we are on the gateway of Tally. If we press D A L, so it has presented us with various ledgers, and let's check out ledger of Mr. Y. Mr. Y, where are you? Mr. Y. Okay, Mr. Y. So sales of rupees 2000 was made to Mr. Y and cash of rupees 2000 is received from Mr. Y. So it seems like we have made a wrong entry here when we sold goods to Mr. Y rupees 3000, we have made entry of rupees 2000 only. We'll open it and we'll change it. Okay, rupees 3000. Okay, so that is how you correct an entry. Entry correction also you have learned. And this is the ledger of Mr. Y right here, account of Mr. Y's account. And as you can see, we have made sales of Mr. Y rupees 3000 and receipt of sales right here, receipt right here 3000, 2000, and right here you can see the closing balance, which is rupees 1000, and this also is in the debit column. Hence rupees 1000 is due from Mr. Y. So whenever we'll receive cash from Mr. Y, that is, this account will increase by 1000, and as this will increase, it will make it to 3000 together. 2000 plus 1000, this is 3000, and this account will be balanced.